With the Z Flip4 cover screen, you can do all the basics on your phone while keeping it closed and out of your hands. Let's explore. When a notification flashes, or to view the notification panel, swipe right on the cover screen. If you need to respond, unfold the Z Flip4 to access alerts. When someone calls, their name and number display on the cover screen. Swipe green to answer or red to reject. When you answer, the speakerphone activates if a Bluetooth audio device isn't active. That way, you don't have to pick up the phone. You can even use the cover screen to snap a quick selfie on the go. To open the camera, double-press the side key and take your picture. The cover screen also keeps your favorite music apps and other widgets close by. Swipe left on the cover screen to call up the music panel. Then tap the cover screen and follow the prompts to set up and launch. And the widget panel is customizable. Swipe all the way to the right on the cover screen. Then tap Add Widget, and then tap on your choice. Widgets include Samsung Health, Dialer, SmartThings Scenes, and more. You can also call up quick settings by swiping down, and Samsung Wallet by swiping up. With the Z Flip4 cover screen, keep your phone at arm's length while always staying on top of your to-dos.